Okay, I will talk to you about chapter 5 today. And after that, maybe another video I will make for your exam review. Okay. For chapter 5, we have to go over what is supply chain, what is procurement, what is logistics, what is EDI, then EDI standards, how EDI works, value added network, which is called VAN, direct connection and indirect connection EDI, EDI payments, EDI on the internet, open EDI, supply chain management, using internet in supply chain management, and RFID, radio frequency uh, identification devices. Okay, so what is supply chain? The supply chain for a particular product, and pay attention here, the supply chain for a product includes all activities undertaken by every predecessor in the value chain to design, produce, promote, market, deliver, and support each individual component of a product. So basically, it includes all activities undertaken by everybody involved in the value chain. Okay, to the designing of the product, to the manufacturing, to the promotion, to the marketing, and to the delivery, and to the support of each component of the product. And what is procurement? Procurement includes all purchasing activities plus monitoring all purchase transactions plus managing supplier relationships. So not only purchasing activities, but it also monitoring of purchasing transactions and managing supplier relationships. What is then logistic? Logistic provide the right goods in the right quantities, in the right place, at the right time. It manages the movements of inbound raw material and outbound finished product. What is EDI? EDI is electronic data interchange. EDI is also known as B2B, business to business transaction. This is basically what is EDI? EDI is basically transfer of business information between firms. Say for example, shipping notices, invoices, POs between firms, transfer. But this is computer to computer transfer and it uses a standard format. Okay. Then trading partners, two businesses who are exchanging information through EDI are called trading partners. EDI standard is EDIFACT. Okay. This is here, EDIFACT. EDI for administration, commerce and transport. Okay. This was a standard published by the United Nations in 1987. This is the international standard for EDI. International standard for EDI is EDIFACT. X12 is the standard used by American companies. So EDIFACT is the international standard and X12 is the standard used by American companies. What is a value-added network? Value-added network is a third party that provides communication equipment, that provides communication equipment, software and skills needed to receive, store and forward electronic messages that contain EDI transaction sets. Okay. So this is basically a third party that provides all the skills and the equipment and the software needed to conduct EDI or to receive, store and forward electronic messages that have EDI transaction sets. Okay. EDI on the internet is also called open EDI or web EDI. This is basically data is exchanged over internet. Instead of using an expensive leased line, when for EDI the transaction sets are exchanged over internet, It's called EDI on the internet, or Open EDI or Web EDI. Then supply chain management. Supply chain management is the integration of supply management and logistic activities across multiple participants in a particular product's supply chain. Okay. And what is RFID? RFID is radio frequency identification devices. These are chips. Okay. These are chips using radio transmission to track inventory. Walmart uses RFID. Okay. It is better than barcodes and does not need to be visible like barcode. And as I was telling you, Walmart is experimenting with RFID. Okay, then also you need to know what is direct connection EDI and what is indirect connection EDI. Direct connection EDI is basically requires each business in the network to operate its own on-site EDI translator computer. Okay, so we need a translator computer to translate the EDI transaction set. Okay, indirect connection EDI occurs when the trading partners pass messages through the value-added network instead of connecting their computers directly to each other. So the value-added network does all the storing, forwarding, and translation of the EDI transaction sets. Okay. This is essentially your chapter 5. I will make a separate video on your exam, okay, and on your review for your exam, okay. So I'll stop here and then I will do another one.